This story, My Garden, that we just saw, that has to be one of my favorite stories. I love the idea of, planting jelly beans and you grow a jelly bean tree, or you get giant vegetables that you love and the vegetables that you don't like, that they just become invisible, so you never have to eat them again. All right, so we're going to be focusing in this booklet. This is your find this booklet. It's your Wonders Booklet Unit 4, Around the Neighborhood. And we did this lesson before winter break. We did a couple of lessons in here. So you're going to open to page 129. And in here, all you're going to need today is a pencil. It's not going to be that hard. We're talking about character, setting, and events, okay? So in every good story, there's always characters. Those are the people or the animals that the things are happening to in the story. There's setting, which is where the story takes place. Is it inside or outside? Is it a house, in a mountain? In this instance, it was in a garden. And then we have events, like what happens? What are the things that happen in this story? We had seashell plants, and we had giant tomatoes and invisible carrots, and there was also a seashell garden, and the little girl planted a seashell at the end of the story to see if she could get these seashells to grow. Okay, so number 1, which is the top, we're going to look at those 2 pictures, and you're going to circle the picture that shows the main character from My Garden. So was the main character a bunny or a little girl with her giant flowers? That was one of the things she wished for. So you're going to circle the little girl. She was the main character from the story. And then number 2, you're going to compare these 2 pictures. Circle the illustration that shows the setting from the story. So remember, setting is where the story took place. Did it take place at the ocean, or did it take place in a garden? And in this case, it was the magical garden, when she wished that her garden would grow seashells. And it's such a wonderful book. I love it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that too. Let's go to the back side of this page, and we'll just practice blending some sounds, okay? And remember, while you write these, use your sounds, okay? So, at, hat, at, hot, up, hop. So you use the arrow, means you need to blend the sounds to make the word. So there's a picture of a hat. Let's sound out the word hat, at, hat, and let's write the word hat. Now make your sounds, okay? Help yourself learn the sounds. At, hat. Very good. Okay, the next one, it shows a picture of a fire. Why? Because a fire is hot. So here's our word hot. At, hot. So let's write that and make our sounds. Ah, hot, hot, okay? And then number 3, it shows a picture of a frog, and you can see it has movement lines around it to show that the frog is in the middle of a hop. And there is the word hop. Up, say hop. Okay, now write the word hop, please. Ah, hop. Very good. Okay, so you just wrote hat, hot, and hop. Those are blending words that have the beginning sound letter H, okay? Give yourself an exit ticket. Close this up. This goes back into your yellow folder with green cover. This is your English Language Arts folder, so go ahead and put that back in there, and we'll get ready for our next lesson.